Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a shape with no fill in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this shape, create a new layer and click the shape, custom shape or use pen tool for art shape, add a rush. I use custom shape, then without fill and select the stroke color. I use stroke color example black, solid line, dash line, dotted line as a rush. I use solid line, then hold shift click and drag on your mouse. See this no fill shape and already added this shape math no fill pen tool or shape tool without fill. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.